Once upon a time in the magical world beneath the deep blue sea, there was a mermaid named Ariel. She was no ordinary mermaid, for she possessed a burning curiosity about the human world beyond the waves. One sunny day, as Ariel swam near the surface, she spotted a magnificent ship sailing by. On board, she saw a handsome prince named Eric. Mesmerized by his charm, Ariel couldn't help but watch from afar, dreaming of a life above the water. Determined to be with her prince, Ariel made a fateful decision. She sought help from the sea witch, Ursula, who granted her legs in exchange for her enchanting voice. It was a gamble that would change Ariel's life forever. As Ariel ascended to the human world, she experienced both joy and heartache. She was fascinated by the sights, sounds, and wonders of the land, but yearned for her voice to express herself fully. Despite the challenges, Ariel encountered Eric once again and captured his heart without uttering a single word. Meanwhile, King Triton, Ariel's father, grew concerned about his daughter's absence. He feared for her safety and was furious about her dealings with the treacherous Ursula. Determined to protect Ariel, King Triton ordered his army of sea creatures to search for her. Word of Ariel's deal with Ursula soon reached the royal palace, and the underwater kingdom buzzed with whispers and gossip. Amidst the chaos, the clam courtroom echoed with the news of an unprecedented legal case. The mermaid, Ariel, was to stand trial for making an unlawful agreement with a sea witch. The courtroom was packed with witnesses, including Sebastian the crab, Flounder the fish, and even Ursula herself, who reveled in her role as the antagonist. The esteemed Judge Lobster presided over the trial, ensuring the proceedings were fair and just. Ariel's defense team, led by her loyal friend Scuttle the seagull, argued passionately for her innocence, highlighting her undying love for Eric and the desperate measures she had taken to find her happiness. They argued that love shouldn't be bound by laws, and that Ariel had only sought a chance at true love, albeit at a high price. On the other hand, the prosecution argued that Ariel had knowingly entered into a contract with Ursula, rescinded her voice, and thus disrupted the harmony of the underwater world. They cited the dangers posed by Ursula's dark magic and the potential consequences for the entire kingdom. Tensions ran high as both sides presented their compelling arguments. Throughout the trial, Ariel listened intently, her eyes filled with a mixture of fear and hope. Finally, after hours of deliberation, Judge Lobster banged his gavel, calling for order in the court. He announced his decision would be based on one question: whether Ariel's intentions were pure and driven solely by love. In a heartfelt plea, Ariel spoke directly to the judge, expressing her remorse for her actions and assuring him that her love for Eric was genuine. She pledged her commitment to her kingdom and begged for forgiveness. Silence enveloped the courtroom and all eyes fell upon Judge Lobster, whose expression softened. He declared Ariel innocent, understanding that she had acted out of love in the pursuit of her dreams. However, he warned her of the consequences of interfering in human affairs and urged her to return to her rightful place in the underwater world.